Everyone, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate, and in today's video I will be showing you how to log into BC Ferries employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. BC Ferries is a ferry service operating in the coastal region of British Columbia, Canada, which provides transportation service between various islands and mainland terminals, facilitating travel for passengers, vehicles, and cargo. Now, in order to log into your account, first of all, open up any web browser on your desktop. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL, type in bcferries.com. Press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to the official website of BC Ferries. Now, in order to log into employee account, scroll down to its end, and at the very end you will see employee login button on the menu bar. Click on that. On this interface at your left hand side, you will get a button or option that says employee self-service. So click on that. Then you will be taken to login page. Here on your interface, first of all, you have to enter your valid username on your username text field. Make sure you enter your valid username, and under that enter your correct password. In case you forgot your username or password, click on this link provided, that is forgot username or password. That will help you out to recover your account. And if you're done typing in your username and password, click on login button, and on the next page you'll be successfully logged into your employee account if you have provided valid and correct username or password. And that's how you can simply log into BC Ferries employee account. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.